Hey everyone, and welcome to another one of our videos. First off, I want to apologize really quick for my voice if it sounds a little off. I'm getting over a case of that virus right now, so it is what it is. But today, we're going to be installing some OEM Homelink goodness in my 2011 Gen 1 Raptor. Now, I'm not sure if Homelink was an option on these trucks or not for the Gen 1s. I know on later trucks it was either an option or a standard thing, but mine does not have it, and most F-150s that I've seen, including most Gen 1 Raptors, don't have it. So I found out through just a little bit of research and wiring diagrams and things like that, that these are just constant power 2-wire little sun visors for the lights that go to them. And the Homelink ones are as well. They just use the same little 2-pin connector and everything there. So I figured it would probably be plug and play, and I think it turns out that it is. Basically, it's the same exact visor that comes in these trucks, the same cloth one, just has a little garage door opener right there. And for me, instead of carrying around a garage door opener in my truck in my center console or hooked to my sun visor, which I normally don't do because I don't like it to permanently depress the material or anything, I figured I'd pick one of these up. Found it for under $100 on eBay, used, but in very good condition. I cleaned it up a little bit and it looks like it's brand new. But figured I'd just throw one of these guys in instead, because at almost the same price as an extra garage door opener, why not free one up to throw in one of my other cars and have it built into the truck now. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install this. It's going to be the world's simplest install. It's literally just 2 screws to pull the old visor out and put the new one in. But I wanted to show you kind of the process in case you're not familiar with it, and in case your truck maybe is a little bit different or something like that. You'll have a baseline of how this 2011 is. So I'm going to go ahead, hop out to the truck, and show you where we're going to go from there. Alright, so I'm in my truck now. You can see the standard sun visor that it comes with. No Homelink controller on it. And basically, to do the swap, all you need to do is fold it down about halfway, and you're going to expose a Phillips screw here, and another Phillips screw on the back side back there. You're going to take a Phillips screwdriver, you're going to take those 2 out, and then I'll show you what you see once you pull the headliner down. Since I'm short of hands and I only have 2 of them, one of them on the camera right now, I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera and show you what you get. So the sunshade's loose now. One thing I always do when I'm pulling shades down by myself, if I don't have somebody to hold it up or anything, is leave it clipped in on the one side, because then it acts almost as a second hand. And then I'm going to go ahead and unclip now, and you can see the wiring that's in there. So you literally just have the same 2 wires. And then basically the way that this is set up is that the wiring's tucked in between the headliner and that little white shell in there. And all we need to do is pull everything out far enough to get the connector poking out and unclipped. So I'm going to need to pull down the headliner a little bit, not by removing anything else, but just by getting my finger up in there and pulling on it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, again, because I need my extra hand for that. But then I'll come back and show you what the connector looks like and everything. I have the sun visor out now, fully out, and the connector you can see right here is poking out as well. Again, all I did was stick my finger underneath the headliner, pulled it down a little bit, and just pulled the wiring out. So connector's hanging down. You can see one little tab on the top that you have to push to release, and then you can unplug the old sun visor. And the new one should literally just be plug and play into the same place. So I'm going to go ahead, unplug, plug in, stuff the wiring back in, and kind of button things up, and then I'll show you what the finished product looks like. Alright, so now for the finished product. You can see I have it all screwed back into place. Looks perfect. Clipped in. Looks perfect. Mirror light operates as normal. And now we have right up here, nice little Homelink. So you can click it, and it'll open up your garage door. I still got to program it. I'm pretty sure the instructions are going to be in the owner's manual and everything, because I think they're generic manuals for all the trucks that come with these. I'll have to go take a look. If not, I'm sure they're online. Normally you just press and hold like the outer 2 buttons, and then press and hold the button you want to program with your garage door opener held up to it, and then you have to do some additional stuff for rolling code garage door openers like mine happens to be. But overall, super easy install and super easy OEM solution for this, and it should work flawlessly for what I wanted to do. So with that, I want to thank you all for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you enjoy the Raptor videos and you happen to be watching this in 2022, early 2022 when this video is coming out, stay tuned. There's a lot more Raptor stuff coming this year. And again, thanks for watching. Take care.